Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to apply false eyelashes. I get requests every performance season from all of my students. Miss Nat, please apply my lashes for performance. Well, guess what, girls? This is the tutorial you've all been waiting for. I am going to show you how to apply your own lashes. So stay tuned and you will see how I apply my lashes. Today, since this is a tutorial and I don't normally wear false lashes, I will be using some rather exaggerated lashes, exaggerated for me personally to wear on the day-to-day. I'm putting on some Lily lashes, the Miami lashes. First thing I do when I am applying lashes is I apply a liner. That way, if the lash is a little bit separated from my lashes, it's not as noticeable because the liner is there, and that will fill in the gap for any skin that may be showing in between. Okay, I am going to attempt to apply this liner on camera. My absolute favorite liquid liner is the Kat Von D tattoo liner in Trooper, which is the darkest black. The tip on this liner is a brush tip rather than a felt tip, so it just glides onto the eye really nice and smooth. Bear with me as I do my first attempt to apply liner on camera. So I usually start by just applying a layer directly along the lash line. Not quite perfect, but the lashes will cover that up. And then I will lift my eyebrow a little bit to stretch the skin. Set the brush down and then go towards my lashes. And then from the tip, I will draw another line at an angle a little further in towards my lashes to create the wing. So I'm making a very angled triangle. And then you can just color that in. There we go. So not too bad for the first side. I'm gonna do the other side off camera to get a little bit closer to my mirror, and I will be back. Now my liner is on. A little tip when you are applying liner, go and follow from your bottom lash line the curve of this lower lash line to follow that wing up. Rather than trying to follow your upper lash line, that will create more of a droop looking eye or a sad looking eye as this curve naturally angles downward. You want to follow this lower lash line up to give the nice cat eye as it extends from the lashes. Just a little tip that I've learned from experience. This kit was another great Marshall's find. 2 pairs of Lily lashes were only $9.99. The lashes in the kit are the styles Miami and Luxe. Before you get started to actually apply the lash, you want to check and see if the lashes are the correct length. So what you do is you'll take the lash and you will hold it up to your eye and check and see if it extends across. If there is a lot of the hairs that go beyond your actual lid or your lash line, you can just snip off those extra lashes and discard them. Like I'm checking these here, and from where my lashes start at the beginning out to the end, it looks like these last couple hairs I will not need, so I'm just going to clip those off, and then I will apply the now fitted lash. The lash glue that I like to use is the Duo lash adhesive, and this comes in both a white, which dries down to clear, or black, which then stays black on the eye, almost like a liner. So I will just apply a thin layer onto my lash. This is my own tube, so I am applying it straight onto my lashes. If I were using someone else's lash adhesive, I would apply it to a clean surface first. Just apply some of the glue onto the surface. Then you can either dip the lash directly into the glue, or I'll get a clean bobby pin and maybe just kind of apply the glue onto the lash with a bobby pin. So I let this get tacky for about a minute. So with your lashes, the way that you place them on the eye is the shorter lashes will be towards the inner part of your eye, and then the false lash has the longer lashes out towards the end, which will go to the outside of your eye. So that's how you know which one is your right or your left lash. This is my right lash. This is now ready to apply, and I'm going to look into my mirror, and I will just set the lash above and press it against my lash line. Still not super tacky, so it's lifting in a few places. So I will just hold it down until it's ready to stay. Okay, so we have the right eye applied. Now we will apply the left. And I'm pressing down along the length. And there we have both eyes applied. I did already have mascara on my lashes before I applied the falsies, and I had also curled my lashes before applying. This helps to lift the false lash from beneath, so that the lash does not droop down in front of your actual eyeballs. So this is the final application of the lashes. If you have any questions, let me know, but I wanted to get this out there so that my kids, they have no excuse as to why they cannot do their own lashes. I created a tutorial. There you go, girls. Now, do your own lashes. I will see you next time. Bye.